Namaskar. Welcome to Tourism Simplified. I hope your study is going well. So, in this new series, we are going to cover up very important unit of UGC NET tourism, which is tourism planning, unit number 8. So, every year, 6 to 8 question is asked from this particular unit, which makes this unit very important for your upcoming exam. These are some important topics which we are going to cover up in this series. Topics are picked from PYQs. So, I will be covering up these all topic one by one in this entire series. So the first topic we are going to cover up is tourism planning process and levels. Second one is 5-year plans in tourism. Third one is your tourism policies in India. Fourth one is important schemes of tourism in India. Fifth one is national planning policies for destination development according to WTO guidelines. And the sixth one is economic system and its impact on tourism development, especially these macro and microeconomic systems. These are very important. And seventh one is your multiplier effect and its type, displacement effect, cost and benefit of tourism, monetary policies, repo rate, reverse repo rate, cash reserve ratio. These all ratios and rates are very important. Sometimes question is directly asked from these small topics. I hope you will like this series.